Today we'll be showing you how quickly and easily you can use Guardsman's wood touch-up markers to quickly restore colour to damaged areas for a professional repair. Begin by using the lightest coloured marker. Then, in the direction of the wood grain, lightly brush the felt tip over the area to be retouched. Wipe the area with a dry cloth to remove any excess. Repeat steps 1 to 3 as necessary, until your blemish is gone. Here are some handy hints. If the initial result is too light, repeat the application process using the medium, followed by the dark coloured marker until the desired result is achieved. Blend the colours to get the shade you need. Guardsman touch-up markers are great for finished or simulated wood furniture, antiques, woodwork, picture frames, cabinets, tables, chairs, counters, doors, floors, panelling and moulding. As you can see, using the Guardsman touch-up markers are a simple and great way to keep your timber furniture looking its best.